The Strait of Hormuz, a name echoing through history, a critical global choke point. It's where ancient challenges meet modern military might. This narrow passage, a paradox of geography, has shaped empires and fueled conflicts for millennia. Its strategic importance is undeniable. At its widest, the strait is just 21 nautical miles across. Animated maps reveal its constricted nature and mandatory shipping lanes. This unique geography makes it a natural choke point, controlling access to the vast oil reserves of the Persian Gulf. A vital artery for global trade. From ancient times, the Strait of Hormuz was a nexus for trade. Historical maps illustrate the bustling routes that passed through its waters. Various empires sought control: the mighty Persians, the seafaring Omanis, and later, the ambitious Portuguese. Each left their mark. The strait's confined waters often became battlegrounds. Recreations show ancient naval warfare, where geography turned into a deadly trap. Archaeological findings and historical artwork further reveal the strait's tumultuous past, a testament to its enduring strategic value. The modern era brought a new dimension: oil. Archival footage captures the discovery that transformed the Middle East. Today, the strait is the world's most vital oil transit choke point. A significant percentage of global oil passes through daily. During the Cold War, the strait became a stage for proxy conflicts and increasing international naval presence, escalating tensions. Incidents like the tanker war and mining events underscore its volatility. Visuals show oil tankers and modern naval vessels in action. Modern weaponry has transformed the stakes. CGI sequences showcase anti-ship missiles, drones, and fast attack crafts. Submarines lurk beneath the surface, adding another layer of complexity to the region's military landscape. A silent, unseen threat. Asymmetric warfare thrives here. Smaller, agile forces can pose significant threats in these confined, strategic waters. The potential for conflict carries severe global economic repercussions, particularly for oil prices and supply chains worldwide. Hormuz remains a dual entity, an ancient geographical trap and a modern geopolitical flashpoint. Its relevance endures. Global security hinges on the delicate balance of power, maintained by international diplomacy and military presence in the region. What does the future hold for this vital waterway? Its impact on global stability will continue to be profound.